Hey guys, how you doing today? I want to talk about this and show you my beautiful variegated Dischidia Cascade. She is so pretty. You can see, look at all that beautiful variegation on this plant. I really like it. Now I got this plant about a year ago. It was already pretty much this size. It has grown a little bit. I've taken a couple of cuttings off of it, and it's not bloomed for me yet, but I'm hoping I get to see that soon. But you pretty much treat the Dischidias, I have a couple of them, you pretty much treat them like a Hoya. So they're really easy to take care of. If you can take care of Hoyas, you can take care of this plant, I guarantee it, because it's just that easy. I pot mine in a clay pot, so it has really good ventilation and good drainage. I do let it dry all the way down before I water it again. With this particular one, because it's variegated, I do keep it in a little bit more higher light to keep the variegation. I think it could even use a little bit more higher light, but right now I'm growing it, well, all winter. I have been growing it under an LED grow light. So, and it's done really well. It's a 5000K grow light, or it's a LED light. It's not an actual full spectrum grow light, but it is an LED grow light. And it's doing really good. It's kept all of its really beautiful variegation. I'll actually get a little bit closer so you guys can see the variegation for a minute. So you do want to keep this particular one, anything variegated, from what I have found. They do like just a little bit more higher light. They still can't take full sun. Maybe morning sun would be fine, but then in the late hot afternoon, no, it's going to burn. It's going to burn your plant, and then you're just going to end up with a lot of brown spots on the plant. But so as far as you guys can see how long she is, it's really a pretty. And actually, when I got this plant, it was mounted on wood, but I kept it that way pretty much all summer. And then when I brought it into the house in the fall, I think I kept it on it a little bit longer, and then I ended up, about beginning of winter, I went ahead and put her in a pot, because I do not do well personally with anything mounted, because I just have a hard time keeping stuff watered. In the summertime it's usually alright, but the wintertime it's so dry in here from running the heat that it's like every other day I'm having to water it. So I took her off the mount, put her in a really airy soil. It's just soil, about half and half soil and perlite. I don't have any wood chips or anything like that in here. And as far as feeding her, she gets worm castings, and when she does get watered, she gets fish fertilizer, and that seems to be good enough for this particular plant. So, like I said, I've never seen her bloom for me yet, but I'm hoping soon. I don't even remember what color of flowers. I think, I don't know, it might have been a purple flower. I'm not really sure. I'd have to look it up again. But, so a little bit higher light for the Dischidias, and just like a Hoya, let it dry out completely like a Hoya. You want it in as bright a light as you can get it, like a Hoya. So pretty much you just treat these plants like a Hoya, but like I said, with the variegated one, I do have her in higher light. Other than that, I don't really have a lot more to say about this except, you know, how pretty she is. I really, really like this. I do have a couple more Dischidias that I really like. And I'll probably go ahead and be doing some videos on those that I have also. But very beautiful plant. I just started getting into Dischidias last year. Like I said, I only have a couple. I'm not going like Dischidia crazy, but I like a lot of the different families. So it's not like I don't try to go out and buy every single Dischidia or every single Hoya or philodendron. And whew, I'd have to have a lot bigger house than what I have. And a lot, way of a lot bigger pocketbook. So, alright, there she is, guys. Like I said, not a whole lot to say about this beautiful plant. I just wanted to show her to you, and give a little bit of an update because I did get this last summer, and she has grown, and I have propagated. I propagated this plant 2 different ways. Once was in water, and my other way was right in soil. And as long as you can keep the soil moist, maybe mix it with a little bit of spag to keep the spag wet. But I find that it propagates very, very easy in water. You could even just do all spag, and I'm sure it would be fine, but I haven't tried that method. But, so, alright guys, I am going to let you go, and I will talk to you later, and you guys have a great day. Bye. Peace.